Financial Professional's Guide to Consensus 2024. The panels you don't want to miss. Curious about how crypto is already disrupting the world of finance? Here is a schedule of the events every financial professional will want to attend at this year's Consensus 2024 conference to get you up to speed. Grab your tickets here for Consensus 2024 in Austin, Texas, May 29-31. See also what Consensus speakers are looking forward to this year Wednesday, May 29. OFAC sanctions compliance, the good, the bad, and the ugly. 10:30 a.m. CDT, 11:30 a.m. EDT. In recent years, crypto has come under the watchful eye of international regulators concerned that borderless and censorship-resistant financial platforms could be used to bust sanctions. Former Central Bank of Ecuador Director General Arauz is joined by 3 expert crypto lawyers, privacy advocates, and founders to discuss how crypto startups can comply with sanctions lists without sacrificing their credible neutrality. Cathie Wood on Bitcoin's Rubicon moment. 10:45 a.m. CDT, 11:45 a.m. EDT. Cathie Wood, CEO of ARK Invest and legendary Wall Street investor, is joined by influential Bitcoin podcaster Peter McCormack to discuss the world's first decentralized money's current and future value proposition, and why she thinks Bitcoin is likely to continue growing. Tom Emmer, Congress crypto champion. 11:15 a.m. CDT, 12:15 p.m. EDT. Republican Congressman of Minnesota and Majority Whip Tom Emmer is one of crypto's biggest advocates on the Hill, and is Majority Whip in the United States House of Representatives since 2023. What he says carries weight. Open Money Summit, time to combine mergers and acquisitions and digital assets. 3:30 p.m. CDT, 4:30 p.m. EDT. A wave of consolidation swept the industry in the wake of 2022's Contagion event and will likely happen again during the market upswing as growing companies look to invest. Attorneys and investments bankers including DLX Law's Sarah Chen, KBW's Paul McCaffrey, and Empire Partners' Tony Scudery will discuss how the tone and tenor of M&A deals change during boom and bust market cycles. The OG of fast payments. 5 p.m. CDT, 5:05 p.m. EDT. Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, is set to discuss the evolving world of enterprise-focused blockchain tools, including the company's plans to launch a stablecoin and how traditional finance operations could move on-chain. Thursday, May 30, Crypto, the U.S. Elections and the next administration. 10:00 a.m. CDT, 11 a.m. EDT. Tim Draper, one of the first major VCs to buy Bitcoin, is joined on the main stage Polygon Labs Chief Legal Officer Rebecca Reddick and Messari CEO Ryan Selkis to discuss how politics affects crypto policy. About 15% of Americans, including about a quarter of millennial voters, own, trade, or use crypto. Can they become a unified voting bloc? State of Crypto Policy Summit, 2nd and CFTC Commissioners speak. 11:00 a.m. CDT, 12 p.m. EDT. Hester Pierce and Summer Morsinger, Commissioners of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission 2nd and Commodity Futures Trading Commission CFTC, respectively, will discuss where the U.S. is going wrong with crypto regulation and how to get the world's largest economy back on track. Digital asset ETFs, a new frontier, 10 years in the making. 12:00 p.m. CDT, 1 p.m. EDT. It took over a decade to launch the first spot Bitcoin ETF in the U.S., but only weeks to establish themselves as some of the hottest investment vehicles this year. Asset managers from BNY Mellon, BlackRock, Bitwise, and Fidelity will discuss where the market goes from here and the prospects for launching a spot Ethereum ETF this year. Prometheum's perspective. 4:10 p.m. CDT, 5:10 p.m. EDT. In an industry as contentious as crypto, perhaps no startup is more controversial than Prometheum, the special-purpose broker-dealer that wants to list crypto asset securities, including Ethereum. Company CEO Aaron Kaplan will give his perspective about why crypto needs regulated entities to run the show. Friday, May 31. Can DeFi scale? 10:10 a.m. CDT, 11:10 a.m. EDT. MakerDAO founder Rune Christensen and decentralized finance expert at the Defiant Camilla Russo will discuss whether decentralized finance is living up to its promise of empowerment and how it can maintain its ideals as it continues to scale to a global level, bringing the next $1 trillion of assets. On-chain. 12:45 p.m. CDT, 1:45 p.m. EDT. Real-world assets, i.e. traditional financial products that are brought on-chain, is one of the fastest-growing sectors in the digital asset space, to such an extent that BlackRock CEO Larry Fink thinks tokenization will soon eat the world. Founders of 3 of the hottest RWA startups, Centrifuge, Superstate, and Maple Finance, will discuss where this transformation is heading. Memecoins, shiny objects, or serious business. 3:30 p.m. CDT, 4:30 p.m. EDT. Crypto projects that start as jokes sometimes evolve and pursue plausible use cases such as digital identity or tokenization, and even assets with no apparent utility can attract smart money. Edited by Brad Spies.